What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. Make sure you hit that like button as well as smash the subscribe button. So in today's video, we have another major game changer. So around here, we don't waste hard inquiries. That's why in today's video, we're going to be going over the top 5 credit unions that will give you a soft pull pre-approval before you actually accept either a credit card, line of credit, or loans. So the first one we're going to be going over is Consumers Credit Union. Now, anyone can join Consumers Credit Union. They have signature loans that go up to $100,000, as you can see right here. Low fixed rates with flexible terms. You can check your rate, and checking your rate will not impact your credit score. So it's very easy. You don't have to be a member just yet in order to apply. One of the great things too about the pre-qualifications is that, let's say you aren't qualified, they're going to let you know that. Whereas if you're cold apping and you don't qualify, you're going to get the inquiry and still get denied. At least with the pre-qualification, if you don't qualify, it's just a soft inquiry and you can go on to the next institution. Next up on the list, we have Dover Federal Credit Union. Now, Dover Federal Credit Union is based in Delaware. However, there are ways for you to join even if you don't live in that geographic area. Now, they do offer a soft pull pre-qualification for their credit card, and the credit cards go up to $50,000. Now, with the cashback credit card, you can earn 2% cash back on every purchase, and they have a balance transfer for 0% APR 12 months, and you can get a pre-qualified offer for a new credit card in as little as 2 minutes. Dover Federal Credit Union will be doing a soft pull of your Experian credit report. Now, again, if you do accept the offer, then it will be a hard pull. But again, you'll know exactly what you're getting approved for, the limit, as well as the APR. Next up on the list, we have First Tech Federal Credit Union. And this is one of the most underrated credit unions. They're actually about the 5th or 6th largest credit union in the United States. Now, they do have a soft pull pre-qualification for their personal loans. Now, some of you might know about their credit cards, the Odyssey, Elite, World, MasterCard, which goes up to $100,000. But you can check your rate for a personal loan. Now, these loans start from a minimum of $500 and they go all the way up to $50,000 with terms from a minimum of 24 months all the way out to 7 years. So you can just check your rate. There's no impact to your credit score. And First Tech, from the data points I've gathered, they're going to be using your Experian credit report to qualify you for the majority of their credit products. So now the easiest way to become a member is to become a member of the Computer History Museum or the Financial Fitness Association. Now, the Financial Fitness Association is a nonprofit organization, and there's other credit unions that actually use the Financial Fitness Association. Next up on the list, we have US Alliance Financial. So they also have a credit card and loan pre-qualification. So we're talking about personal loans, auto loans, as well as credit cards. You can get pre-qualified. It only takes about 2 minutes. As it says right here, there's no risk to your credit score. Next up on the list, we have NASA Federal Credit Union. Now, anyone can join NASA Federal Credit Union through the National Space Society, but they have pre-qualifications for personal loans up to $30,000. They also have a cash line of credit. So this is a personal line of credit up to $30,000, and you can check your rate with no impact to your credit score. They also have personal credit cards that you can get an offer on. Now, they will be using your Experian personal credit report. Now, again, as it says right here, checking your rate will not affect your credit score, but if you do decide to move forward, then it will be a hard pull. So you have personal credit cards, personal loans, and personal lines of credit up to $30,000 each, and you can get pre-approved with a soft inquiry on your Experian credit report. Last but not least, we have PenFed Credit Union. So PenFed is actually the 2nd largest credit union in the United States. They have personal loans. You can check your rate without affecting your credit score. Rates as low as 7.74% APR, and the loans go up to $50,000. There's terms out to 60 months, no early payoff penalty, no origination fees, no hidden fees. Now, it's just $5 to establish membership with PenFed. And again, checking your eligibility will not impact your credit score. However, again, once you accept, then it will affect your credit score. The minimum amount is $600 and it goes all the way out to $50,000. Now, PenFed does use Equifax, and I believe they use the FICO 9 scoring model. Now, let's just recap the different credit unions where you can get a soft pull pre-qualification on a personal loan, line of credit, or a credit card. You have PenFed Credit Union, you have First Tech Federal Credit Union, Dover Federal Credit Union, US Alliance Credit Union, you have Consumers Credit Union, as well as Patelco Credit Union. And the great thing about these pre-approvals is that you're not wasting unnecessary hard inquiries. Unlike like when you're doing a cold application. At least you know beforehand if you actually qualify. Now, if you don't get an offer, that's actually saving you from unnecessary hard inquiries. Now, if you do get an offer, that means you have a good chance of actually getting approved. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Let me know your comments and questions right down below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon.